Good afternoon, I'm Lee Anderson. Accused murderer Thomas Jewel Craig went to court today on a request to waive his attorney and represent himself. Blake Mayfield updates the case.
35-year-old Thomas Jewel Craig is charged with second-degree murder and arson in the death of Glenn Allen Eli. In June 2022, Craig was accused of murdering 53-year-old Eli, whose body was found by firefighters in his burning Daggett Lane town home, where Craig was a house guest. Monday afternoon, Craig had a hearing at the Deschutes County Courthouse after motioning to dismiss his attorney and represent himself.
Every week, there are criminal defendants who represent themselves, generally not on high-level cases, though.
Deschutes County Circuit Judge Allison Emerson ruled a week ago that Craig is able to aid and assist in his own defense after a psychological evaluation by the Oregon State Hospital. In a 4-page handwritten letter from the Deschutes County Jail to the court last month, Craig made a variety of allegations and said he wished to plead not guilty by reason of insanity.
The issue with somebody representing themselves is that they may not know all the rules, they may not know all the laws that apply to their particular case, and somebody trained in the law can help them better than sometimes they can help themselves.
Craig agreed to engage in discussions on settling the case with his current attorney at the request of Judge Randy Miller.
Is that something you want to consider?
Yes, Your Honor.
So they would have to make their own judgment about what questions to ask and what evidence to submit to the court. And somebody without training in that is going to be at a real disadvantage.
Another hearing has been set after Craig's motion to dismiss his attorney got pushed back.
I'll give you a chance to speak with Mr. Potter about your cases and also about whether you wish to file a motion to engage in settlement discussions. Does that make sense, Mr. Craig?
Yes, Your Honor.
We do have really good criminal defense attorneys in Deschutes County, and it's generally a bad idea for a person to represent themselves in court on a criminal case, especially on a very serious case.
Judge Miller says there are still some concerns about Craig's fitness to aid and assist in his own defense. Craig's motion to dismiss his attorney is on hold for now, with his next hearing set for Monday, May 1st. Blake Mayfield, News Channel 21.